Hello guys, my name is Gary and welcome to chessdelights.com YouTube channel. So if you're like me who wants to play chess on the go and want to try some chess tactics and chess strategies with your opponent immediately after learning it. But finding an opponent is never really easy unless you physically join a chess club or pay someone to play with. Chess.com is my choice of platform. So you want to know why? Then continue watching this video review. If you have been playing chess games online with chess.com, please do share with us your experience, either good or bad, by commenting below. Okay, so why chess.com is my choice of online chess game? Well, I was really looking for an excellent website to play chess online, and through searching and testing by signing up and eventually unsubscribing, I found chess.com to be very useful and easy to play around with. And also, since I'm trying to relearn chess, I need some way to play chess to implement some strategies I'm learning and playing with real people online. That is why discovering chess.com solved that problem. Let me show you how chess.com looks like from the inside. So this is chess.com. It's an online platform for playing chess. And if you want to log in, just go to this sidebar. And also, if you want to sign up, just click sign up if you don't have any registration yet. So I'm going to log in and I'll show you the inside of this chess.com. So now I'm logged in and you'll see that there is some sections on the sidebar and current games, some notes, chess TV, new game if you want to play a game immediately, and you'll see some latest activities, some stats for the Rapid, Blitz, Crazy House tournaments. And on the left column, you'll find home, messages, free trial, stats, awards, your profile, theme if you want to change the theme of the online platform, settings, and logout. Here in the play, just click play, you can create a new game, a live chess, daily chess, computer, puzzle rush, tournaments, four-player chess, and some archive. In the learn section, you'll see some puzzle tactics, lessons, videos, openings, explorer, drills, vision, analysis. And we have like a forum type of this is actually a forum connections, and there are some blogs, some clubs you can join, friends that you can add, members, coaches, articles, and in watch you can see some live coverage and some chess coaching by some grandmasters. And in the more you have some more puzzles, leaderboard, master games, voting, solo chess, rules, top players, and you can also shop. So if you want to become a member, just go to free trial, and then you'll see some membership plans on that page. So if you want to play a game, this is what I'm using. So just click play, and then you can change the minute to 20 minute, 10 minutes. So again, immediately I have a opponent, and actually I'm going to abort this because I'm not ready to play. So this is chess.com's inside. The It's very clean. I like the image. I like the size of the board. I like the timing. I like the sounds. I like some. I like all the puzzles. I like all the learnings that it's included. So that's it. This is chess.com online platform, and I hope you'll be able to try it even for free trial. Just go to chess.com. So that is chess.com online platform that I'm personally using and playing online. To give you a quick idea, I have not seen much of a negative feedback about chess.com. That's why I only gave one negative and three positive reviews on this video. Here are three good things I like about chess.com and one bad thing I found with chess.com. First, the three good things. There are a bunch of excellent lessons. The lessons can sometimes be overwhelming to beginners, but very, very useful. The second good thing is I like that you can play for free, and I started playing free when I found out about chess.com. Third one is the pricing for the membership is not that expensive. So the one bad thing about chess.com that I found is I do get some failed internet connections sometimes. But actually, that negative feedback may be my fault because of my internet connections. And there you have it, my choice of best online platform to play chess. I do hope I was able to help you decide which online chess platform you should join. And if you want to learn more, check out my page about this platform on chessdelights.com/online. And you will also find three more interesting things about this chess online platform. Just go to chessdelights.com/online to learn more. Thank you for watching.